Hello guys, welcome to the video. So today I'll be designing a landing page. It is mainly the hero section of a HR payroll product where you will have your navigation bar, you will have your logos, you will have your login button, you will have a sign up button, and basically all the CTAs will be there, and also some graphics are there. So in this video, I have not put the sign up button. Instead of sign up button, I have created it as a send login link where someone enters their email for the first time, and they will receive the link to login, and also they can reset the password there. But that we will not be covering up. We will only be creating it as a design. So just watch it how, because this is a SaaS based product. So you know how challenging it is to design a SaaS based product. So SaaS means SaaS, which means software as a service product. So it is a bit challenging for this to design, because you should have everything, all the features which you have listed on the website, and especially the landing page should stand out, especially the hero section of a landing page. So that I'll be covering it here, and also I have defined all the colors and typography already through variables. So in case if you are interested how to create variables, especially for colors and for typography, for spacing, so just comment it below, and in case if you guys are interested, so I'll be creating another video. Cool. So just watch it over, and in case if you guys have any queries regarding anything related to design, just feel free to comment.